Prophet Dhul-Kifil, as AS, was a righteous and patient servant of Allah. His name is mentioned in the Quran in 2 places, Surah Al-Anbiya, verses 85 to 86, and Surah Sad, verse 48, where he is counted among the patient and noble servants, along with Prophet Ismail as AS and Prophet Idris as AS. The name Dhul-Kifil means the one who takes responsibility or the one who keeps his promise. There is a well-known story behind this title. During the time of Prophet Al-Yasa, Elisha, AS, when he became old, he wanted to appoint a leader for his people. He announced that whoever could make 3 promises and keep them would become his successor. 1. Fast every day during the day. 2. Worship Allah every night. 3. Never get angry. A pious and good young man agreed to these promises. He kept his word and showed patience and kindness in every